The main tool in Affinity for designing is this shape tool. If you click that, if you're holding mouse, you can open the stop menu, but if you click that, you can see this window pop up and you can choose all of these shape here. I will be explaining them very fast that you can use in the design. First is a rectangle. You can drag and you can select it and click and drag to click a rectangle. You can holding shift to make it proportionally. You can holding, sorry, and I changed the color of that. You can see this is my color. You can holding control to write it, create it from the center. You can see the color is changing to default. I will show you more about the colors. It's very simple. If you click it, the settings of this object will be appear here, or you can go to the move tool and select it. It's not important. First is the color. You can choose the color from here, from color swatches for the color, gradient, hatch pattern. I will show you more about all of this later in the next lesson. Just you can change the fill color of that. You can change the color of the stroke. Okay, the stroke around that. You can change the color, but the swatch is better. From here, you can simply change the stroke. Here we have stroke, edit the stroke setting. I will show you more about the stroke later here. Just want to show you fast. Here is the preset of the shape. If you need, you can change the preset of this shape easily anywhere that you want, okay? With a rounded, anything that you want. If you click single radius, that's round, from here you can change these shapes, any shape that you want. And from here you can change the roundness of that shape. You can make for the percent and or absolute size. If you click absolute size, you can set it by millimeter, not percentage. If you want to change the corner of this shape separately, you can untick single radius. You can see you can change this top. You can change this top. Open that. You can change this. You can change separately. You can see with these settings, you can create a simple shape. Nice. Another shape is a circle. You can see it's maintain the properties of the last. Okay, I prefer to change the color or everything stroke here. If you click on this, you can change the color of that. I prefer that. From the stroke, from the here you can define the stroke. From if you select the stroke and click on this, it will disappear. I will show you more. Just see it very fast. Okay. If you click on that, you can see it does not have any settings like a fill color, stroke size. You can convert it to hole inside that. You can change the radius that. It's very simple. For creating exactly a circle, you can drag and drop and holding shift, drag and holding shift. If you want to see more setting and the handles, you have to select going the tool. If you go in the tool, you can convert this circle to donut, and you can see we have handles here, and you can change it very easily. This is this radius. It's very simple. You can come here and make it the open angle. You can see you can change all of this very easily. Total angle, invert angle, then close pi. You can do everything here. Okay. Let's see what happened if I go to the move tool. All handles gone. So make sure this is just for moving. If you want to see the handles that is special for this shape tool, you have to go in a shape tool. Now you can see the handles. If you select it, you can just click to select with this. But if you click and drag, you create a shape, okay? But if you are in a move tool, if you want to in a move tool and want to access the handle, just double click on them. Just double click on them to access the shape tool. To open that if you want. Again, going to the shape tool, and this is a rounded rectangle. By automatically it has a rounded with all the settings. Another shape, you can see we can change this. You can mirror it here. It's very simple. We have this shape here. The handle is changing this. You can mirror it if you need. You can change the midpoint. You can choose the settings. And this shape, you can change all part of that. You can see the settings is simple. You can see it's very simple. Gate. You can change the shapes very easily with this handle. In this part, you can change the sides. Any side that you want, you can create. You can change the curve by that handle. You can change it to the smooth point. You can see, change the smooth point with this handle or side. And let's go to the move tool. The shortcut is, I think, V. The move tool. We have lots of tools that you can experiment by yourself. So we are this handle, the radius. You can see, you can change the radius of that. You can change the curve radius. You can see, very simple. This handle will be appear, and you can change it at any shape that you want. You can change the point. You can change everything by this slider or by handle inside them very easily. Another shape. So explore all of the shape with the handles. Again, you have to be in a shape, not in the move tool. If you're in the move tool, you have to double click on them. So you can change everything manually here or by this. So we have a lot of other shape that has different properties. I will show you here. You can see, you can create something like this with the handles. You can do everything. Nice. Or you can use these settings. Invert angle if you need, close by. Just select them and see what happens. So every shape has its own setting. If you need, you can change it. Nice. You can see the snap are helping options are helping you to create your own shape. Cogwheel, if you need, you can do it. Wow, you can see we have lots of setting above the cogwheel. Nice. And create by your own. Spiral tool. You can create a spiral tool. You can make it in this part. You can make it in this. You can style it to any different spiral. Nice. You can use curved segment or polygony. Nice. You can change the turn of that. You can change the angle of that. This spiral just is the curve that you have to use stroke on this. Use a stroke, and here your spiral. With the spiral is a curve that you have to use the. You can see, you can change this handle it anytime that you want. Okay. In some cases, if you want to work on them on a curve, for example, this, you have to go to the move tool, so you can select it, and then you can convert it to the curve. Then here, convert to the curve, or exactly the tool. We have this sitting here. Like other sitting, you can transfer objects separately. It also can always keep selected. Again, I explained them before. But now this tool is convert to the curve, and it's convert to the curve, and it's not parametric. And now we are in another tool that we will show you more, that you can freely you can manipulate your object. You're changing your object. I will show you more. But this is this tool and hard, and I will show you, I think it's another cat tool. Now you can create a cat with this tool, and it does not have any setting there, but it has a stroke. You can go here and turn off the stroke. It's a cat tool. It's a new tool if you want. In the next lesson, I will go explain QR code tool, how to create that.